What's up? Q2 Technical. I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to do a case unboxing for the iPad 11 Pro in one chip. SupCase was kind enough to send me out two of their newer cases for the iPad 11 Pro. So let's get right into the video. These are unicorn. This is the Unicorn Beetle, and then this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. So this is a slimmed down version of this. This is the beefier, heavier version. So we're gonna get this one in a minute. First, let's open up the Unicorn Beetle. And I want to say thank you to SupCase for sending me out these cases. I really do appreciate it. So this is what this is the Unicorn Beetle. Unicorn Beetle. Ooh, it feels nice. And it got a kickstand on it. I like that. This is the Unicorn Beetle. You got your honeycomb pattern in the inside. Nice grip. This is where you can put your Apple Pencil at the top, like so. So now let's stick the iPad into the device, into the case. You get a nice snug fit. Ooh, I love the way that feels, and I love the way it looks. This feels really nice, and it looks really nice, and the kickstand is very sturdy to me. So let's do a walk around the case. So on this side you get your buttons. You get the power button, you get your speaker, you get a couple of microphones, you get another speaker. On this side you get your volume up and down button. I probably need to have the pen going this way for the volume up and down button, but you get your volume up and down button. You get your USB port on this side. This looks really good. It feels really good. I'm really digging this case so far, and it says SupCase. Nice, good, thick protection. So if this one looks nice, I know the Unicorn Beetle Pro is really gonna look nice. So now let's take it off. Not too hard to get off, as long as you take it off by those little grooves at the top. But it's in there snug, trust me. Put the iPad there. Take the pencil out. Let's put this case. I'm gonna sit this case up here for now. Now, let's get on to the big boy. Let's get on to open up the Unicorn Beetle Pro. As you can see, it's Pro. Which is Pro because this is a lot thicker. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna like this case even better because this case is a two-part case. This is a one-part case, as you can see, but it still has good protection. But this here has even more protection because it's a two-part case. Okay. I'm liking this case, but I'm gonna have to say I do like the color better on this case. That black looks a lot better to me on this case than it does on this case, especially with that gray or silver kickstand. But this case, you get a kickstand. Peel the top off. You get your plastic screen protector, fake screen protector. I might pop that out, I don't know. I usually don't like using those because dust and lint gets inside of there very easily. But we're gonna open this bad boy up. Make sure you don't pull it. Don't pull it like me. I'm just excited. But okay, so you get your tab. You can pull this off here. Pull this off if it want to come off. It ain't trying to come off. Okay, pull that off. Bam, like so. Now let's go get our iPad. which is over here. Make sure nothing is on your screen. Make sure no dust is on your screen, and make sure that everything lines up right when you put it on your phone, on your iPad. Trying to figure out the best way to put it on there. Boom. Make sure it snaps in. Then you want to put it the back on like so. Boom. And you have, make sure all these grooves are in each other. You want to hear a snap or click. That little click means you're good to go. Look at that. And with this case, you get the pencil holder in the front. So your pencil, your Apple Pencil will go in the front just like that. As you can see, it just fell out. I don't think I had it in there the right way. Let's try it again. Too excited here. Let's try it again. This here is not the original Apple Pencil, so that could be the problem. So for this video, let me just take it out, but it does have a spot to put your Apple Pencil. As you can see, it adds a lot more protection to your device. You get all your cutouts at the top. You get your cutouts at the back. This one is kind of tough getting a boom to get your kickstand. It was kind of tough getting a kickstand, but that's very important to me for a case to come with a kickstand, because an iPad, a tablet, so on and so on. I use this to watch a lot of movies. I use this to edit a lot of videos on. So that's awesome that they put a kickstand on this device. And they SupCase make good cases. So, hey, I knew this was going to be good. So at the bottom here, and with this case, you get a little door that you can close and open for for charging your USB. You get your speakers cutouts down there. On this side, nothing. On the top here, you get more speakers cutouts. You get your power button, very clicky. You get your volume up and down button, and like I said, this is where you put your Apple Pencil. And overall, it feels good. It adds a little weight to the device, but not too much. So once again, I want to say thank you, SupCase, for sending me out your Unicorn Beetle Pro and your Unicorn Beetle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe to the next video. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.